Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you 3 journals that I've made. So this is what I've worked on all week. I've been really busy this week, so I haven't really had a lot of time to be in here making journals. So there's these 3, they're all traveller's notebooks. They're all made using kits from Tsunami Rose, which is Charming Fragments, and I will link Tsunami Rose below. Already done this video. I was nearly at the end of it and then I had a sneezing fit and I couldn't stop sneezing, so I had to stop and start again. So I will start with Journey. So I have used envelopes on the front pockets. Oh, that's why I keep pulling on that. I can't get my arms around to do it properly. So we've got a large tag and it just pops in there. Here we go. It's just difficult because the tripod's in front of me. So it's an envelope, a DL sized envelope, which is one of these long ones. So I had to cut it down just a little bit at the bottom to fit the actual cover, and then I've just done some layering. Got this lovely image here of the lady sitting at the desk. Looks like she's doing some memory keeping. The word Journey here, and then this is the cardstock which has been sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's nice and thick. We have eyelets and string as a closure, and they're all roughly the same, just different pages from the kit, from the Charming Fragments kit, and they will all be listed in my shop if you're interested. So there is this one. It's a lovely image, lovely page I should say, and making sure I'm in frame here. So we have here a Terri flip, like so, and it's decorated with a doily, ticket, butterfly and some eyelash trim. Then we have a large tag which has been coffee dyed and stenciled. This journal card from Tsunami Rose, a little Tiffany & Co one, and then a journal card here which I think is from Cameo Shop, could be wrong. We have a doily and a paper bag. There is some Edith Holden, and I love this book page. It's a flower book that I have. Some digital from the old design shop. There's plenty of journaling room. We have a little flip there so you can write on there, and I just put some raggedy bits of paper on there. I've got some ephemera, and then a little notebook. Showed these in the a journal that I made the other day, and this was inspired by Stephanie, who is on Instagram as Vintage Journal Studio. And another part of that book page, some ledger, tea dyed paper, and the tea dyed paper that I actually soaked it. The tray that I normally put the paper into to pop it in the oven, I actually put the paper in that and then poured the tea water in and left it for a while, and then just drained it off, and it come out a really nice colour. There's another one of them booklets. Fingers don't want to work. Tag from Artie Mays, and a little journaling card. We have a doily and a paper bag. Edith Holden, another book page, some more from the old design shop, music paper, that's a flip, bit of fluff. Yeah, we've got all sorts going on this week, so I just haven't had a lot of time to be in here. And this is me, first day since Monday I think, this is me being in here. So we've got a large tag there, some ephemera, and I have missed it. Terrible, isn't it, that you know you can't craft and you're pining to get in to make something. Oops. And the cover that I normally put down, the fabric is all dirty, so it needs washing. So this is why these are slipping around. Postcard here. This is an idea from Climmy, who is Climmy Creations, and she's linked below. I've actually put a lot of linked quite a few below that have inspired me recently. It's not to say it's the only people that inspire me, but it's the ones that you know, I use a lot of their techniques. And this is a Terri Woods flip out again, but I haven't done them in a while, so it was nice to do these. Terri's also linked below. We have a large tag and then some ephemera, and that's the other piece. And the paper clip just holds it all in, and that is it. So that is Journey. I will quickly flip through the other ones. This one is Memories. Again, same concept on the front. This is the paper, again sewed onto, it's not paper, it's cardstock actually. Oopsie. Right, do a quick flip. I won't pull everything out. So we've just got some tags and ephemera with a Rita Donnelly flip here. Doily, paper bag, Edith Holden, flower book page. You can do some writing on this page. Flip here. Some ephemera. Most of the ephemera is from Tsunami Rose. This is another Terri Woods flip out page. I won't pull that out because I showed it in the first one. So it all folds out and folds down. A journaling card there and a large tag. I've put tabs on the journals as well. Whoops. Flip out here. This is another one of these flip down ones that I just showed you. Excuse me. We have a large tag in there. Tag from Artie Mays. Some more ephemera. And a little Tiffany & Co. tag. Another book page. So many nice flowers in that book. Ephemera and another one of these from Climmies. And this one we have a large tag, some ephemera and a journal card. So that is, what did I say this one was? Memories. So that's Memories. And, oh, which one did I show you? Oh no, I can't remember. There we go, it's this one. It's because I've done this loads. So again, the same concept. Birdies on the back, well, all over, but you can only see it on the back. The tag in the front. It's a lovely image here. Let's do a quick flip. So here we just have another flip out pocket, tag, ephemera, journal card here. A doily paper bag, some Edith Holden, some lovely flower book page. Here we have another ephemera and little notebook inspired by Stephanie. Rita Donnelly flip. Here we have large tag of butterfly tag, some ephemera, and another journal card here. Doily, paper bag, Edith Holden, flower book page. So like I said, they are all similar, actually the same. The same, just different book pages and different pages from the Charming Fragments kit from Tsunami Rose. And oops, doesn't all work. So I'm trying to keep this under 15 minutes. Little journal card here. It's from Tsunami Rose. A little flip here and some ephemera. Again, most of the ephemera is from Tsunami Rose. You know, the advertisements and things like that. This is another Terri Woods flip out page, and inside that one we just have a large tag, ephemera. So the ephemera is pretty much the same throughout, with the exception of a few different pieces. And that goes in there, and that is the back page. Oops. Excuse me. So that is all the journals. They will all be listed in my shop. This one is still for sale. It's quite a big one, this one. So that one's still for sale as well. You will see that if you go on my shop, and the video to that is linked in my, oh dear, in my shop. Everything will be linked below. If you have oh, I think I swallowed a fly. Everything will be linked below. Do apologise about the coughing. It was sneezing in the last video, now it's coughing. Yeah, damn allergies. So I will speak to you all soon. Bye.